My dear friends, it's a great pleasure connecting to you once again and look forward to continue to develop a few more areas of interest. So today I chose to talk to you on another interesting topic, which is essentially I want to title this as a theory of happiness. There is a reason why I wanted to take up this topic with you because currently we are going through a bit of a crisis in the lockdown, and then there is a huge amount of anxiety in everybody's mind that what is going to happen and whether we are going to remain healthy and whether our children will have the right kind of a future, etc. So the whole mankind across the entire globe at the same time going through the same level of misery as it has never happened before, because there is a part of the world which always we called it as a developed world, a developed economy, where we felt that the garden is much more greener there, and everybody is living with extreme comfort and happiness. So currently the whole world is going through a much bigger turmoil, which is really questioning the every fundamental assumptions of life. So I have been trying to investigate a little bit of what really causes happiness, because it is very important at this point in time that how are we able to maintain our sanity as well as our composure to go through this testing time, because it is always nice to live life when everything goes well, but when adversity strikes, so it destabilizes the very basic aspects of life, taking us through a huge amount of anxiety. So it is very important at this point in time to understand that how do we negotiate our lifestyle going forward. It appears to me that post COVID-19 scenario of life is going to be entirely different as compared to the kind of life we have lived all along, provided that we are wise enough to understand what is the fundamental realities of life. Sadhguru always used to say that when the human beings are very clear in their mind that they are a mortal human being, their life assumes a huge amount of significance. So when somebody dies, loved one or near friends are very close to our heart, and when we go to the cremation ground, we get into a kind of a shift in our paradigm that life is going to be so uncertain. So they call this as a Mayana Virakti, meaning that when we have really seen the end of life, we realize that the life is going to be just yet another movie that is happening in the screen, and any moment it will come to an end. So we suddenly realize that everything appears to be a great significance, our relationship, our life, and so on. So why we need to wait for adversity to strike in order to realize that life is beautiful? So hence I thought that we will analyze a little bit what causes the very framework of life and what makes us happy or unhappy, because it's extremely important to understand the mechanics of happiness so that we will be able to have our bearing under all circumstances. I was recently reading a book called Happiness Hypothesis, written by one Jonathan Haidt, where he has collated all the research work done across the various psychologists across the world and compiled into his own interpretation of what is happiness is all about. So it was a very insightful book when I read it, combining with the spiritual wisdom which I acquired little bit over the period of time, listening to great masters and reading scriptures and so on. So I thought that it may be a good idea to share with you some of this very basic idea of happiness. Once we understand the mechanics of happiness, probably we will be able to manage all crises of life situations better. So in this series, I am going to discuss with you in smaller bits about the theory of happiness. That's what I wanted to call this, which will give you some perspective, deep enough understanding of how we are living our life, and post to COVID-19, how we can restructure our lifestyle and make a good use of our brief presence in this planet. Thank you very much for listening, and look forward to sharing a lot of my thoughts on this topic very soon. Wish you great health and peace of mind. God bless you. Take care. Good day.